Hi guys! I am Visionary Machokar and one of the 12 disciples of Kuya Marvin Calvelo and 144 leader of Pastora Sara Jane Verana. I heard several times in my life stories about the power of giving, and this is my story. Ang pagiging estudyante o kabataan ay hindi limitasyon upang hindi makapagbigay. Based from my experience, naniniwala ako na walang taong kayang hindi makapagbigay or no one can really outgive God. Started giving my tithes and offering when I learned it. And even up to now that I am already a student and receiving my allowance. My allowance actually was not that big, but I have faith that God will increase it. As the scripture says, that we ought to set aside and give 10% of our income to the church so that there will be food in God's house. While I am faithfully doing it, God did His promise by blessing me so on many ways. Nakakuha ko ng mataas na grade at the end of school year. And now, I am about to jump to grade 12, which I believe it was really God's favor. I was even blessed by my parents with new pair of shoes, though I was not expecting it. And lastly, God is using me as one of the outreach worker in La Loma and winning more people for Jesus and sharing what He has done and doing in my life. I know now that nothing is truly wasted in God's economy. Sabi nga sa Deuteronomy chapter 16, verse 16 to 17. No man should appear before the Lord empty-handed. Each of you must bring a gift in proportion to the way the Lord your God has blessed you. Kapag natutunan natin magbigay at magkaroon ng kaisipan na kaya natin magbigay, inaalaw natin ang kapangyarihan ng Diyos na gumawa sa buhay natin. He is the one who provides and we're only vessel of His workmanship when we give. Kaya never kang masisiro because the Lord is your provider. May the Lord bless those who gives. God bless Jigians!
Please, magandang pag sa inyong lahat. Ayun, nagpapasalamat ako sa Lord. Dahil, ayun, bilis nila kung ako. Ulitin ko na sa sinabi sa post sa Deuteronomy 16:16 to 17. No one should appear before the Lord empty-handed. Each of you must bring a gift in proportion to the way the Lord your God has blessed you. So, ayun nga, katulad ng sinabi ni Pastora na walang ginawa si Diyos na patako. So, kayo, walang taong walang wala. So, ayun na lagi na sinasabi sa akin yung mami na, ayun na, huwag mo sabihin walang wala kasi lahat ng Diyos binigay sa'yo. Kahit di naman financial ibigay mo, pwedeng things. Diba? So, ayun, and let's stand. Pwede natin yung offering natin. Sige. Ayan, pwede yung ihulog niyo dyan, pwede yung pangalanan sa future nyo, and kung may mga pinagdadaanan ng kayo. So, okay na tumang na. Sige, let's go. Mr. lang maraming salamat po. Pinigyan ko para sa pray for sa lahat ng magbibigay. Natin ang bless. Kung ano man yung mga pangarap na sa buhay, financial problem na sila sa ating mga pamilya, wala yung posible sa inyo, Lord. Ay provide mo, Lord, lahat, Lord, ng pangangailangan na, Lord, sa ating pamilya, Lord, sa ating pag-aaral, Lord. And Lord, patuloy kang pumilis, Lord, sa bawat isa, Lord, sa lahat ng magbibigay. Lord, sa mga hindi nagbibigay, Lord, patuloy mo sila. Turuan, Lord, paano magbigay, paano magbigay sa bawat isa, Lord. And Lord, maraming salamat, Lord. At nagagaling namin po sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Pray.